Skydeck experience is all about Chicago. It's all about larger than life. Willis Tower is one of the largest buildings on the planet, so it's unabashedly all things Chicago. The goal for the experience is really to let that shine. It's executed through 12 different galleries that really talk about the various different aspects of Chicago, from the origins of Chicago, Chicago architecture, the urban playground of Chicago, and Chicago food. It's my hope that a visitor to Chicago would come to the building or leave the building with an impression of the rich history of Chicago, and also to leave with a childlike awe of a great experience, a very large building, and a ledge experience that is one of a kind.
The Chicago Skydeck is the observation deck experience at the Willis Tower in Chicago. They looked to revamp the entire experience, so we were brought on board by our partner Chicago Scenic, which is the fabrication company that built all the exhibits and sets and stuff around that house our AV systems. There were multiple players and partners that we worked with to make this happen. Thinc Design did the original concept for the entire space. They did that in collaboration with Teecom. They brought in Chicago Scenic, Electrosonic for the AV integration, and a company called Squint provided most of the media throughout the experience.
They really embraced the partnership and worked collaboratively with us early on in the project as we worked through the different phases of design and into the build.
So Electrosonic worked closely with the team to provide all the audio-video systems throughout the entire space. Everything from background audio for announcements, music, to digital signage, as well as more of the experiential elements throughout the kind of museum experience throughout the space, which includes LED walls, interactive subway system behind us. Then upstairs on the 103rd floor, a whole bunch of displays to show interactivity.
The L train is supposed to be a simulated ride of a Chicago L train rumbling through a series of different neighborhoods. And it's all accomplished through AV and media content magic. So bringing together the scenic elements, the AV elements, and the media content elements together for the desired effect was really a super strong moment for me.
In the subway car, we have multiple monitors that play in sync that give the guest almost a 360-degree view as if they're riding the L train throughout Chicago. You see parades, you see the museums, you see all sorts of stuff. Audio system is also in sync so that the floor rumbles and it really feels like you're moving through the subway experience, which is pretty cool, and the guests enjoy that. Then up on the observation deck, where they did not have much AV before, they now have these 100-inch columns that have interactive displays, social media feeds, touch to find out different viewpoints, all sorts of information about what you're looking at and to help enhance the view from up above, as well as a new audio system, provide background music and announcements.
My first reaction was excitement. I saw this in a drawing 2 years ago. To go from 2 years ago in a drawing to actually seeing it now, it's exciting to see it come to fruition.
Electrosonic brings a deep skill set in the technical skills and the firm resources. So they have the chops to get the job done.
To create experiences like Skydeck where people go and enjoy themselves, and later on you see their Facebook posts. It's exciting to see people get joy out of the things that we produce.